Hello everybody, today I've been given the pleasure to unbox the new NarTick AI desktop calendar. This is of course an AI calendar that not only blends AI with paper simplicity, because you will see it is e-ink and it looks phenomenal when we get into it, but it helps when it comes to doing pretty much anything, whether that is if you're a freelancer and you're doing something for a business, if it's for a meeting, if it's for solo gatherings with yourself and you're trying to get something right, whether that's read a book. Also, if you have any elderly people in your house and you want to remind them that they need to take their medicine, it will be written in the said language. You can also set the amount of time you want to set. Everything's in front of you. But it's very simple as to what actually comes in the box. They also do introduce us with an app, as to why I have my phone right over here, because we will be checking over this. I will be moving the camera onto the device so I can actually showcase to you guys NarTick with your own AI powered assistant that will help you guys figure everything out and introduce you to everything. So if you would excuse me, I will set up everything right now for you. I will set up my camera and I will showcase to you guys the beauty of the NarTick AI calendar. Thank you guys. Hello everybody, I have officially set up my tape. Hello everybody, and as promised, I have set up my table like I told you. We have here the charger, which will just simply be plugged into here. It of course is a type C, meaning that you are going to get the best of the best and the fastest of the fastest. Anyways, by simply just holding this little button right over here, we're just going to wait, and it is going to load up the NarTick Personal AI Schedule Master. So let's just keep holding it, and there you are. You will get a little chime indicating that it is completely on, but here it is. This is the e-ink display, always on, crystal clear. It also looks just like paper, that's why it is called an e-ink display, and it runs up to 2 weeks on a single charge, and of course no glare, no distractions, and just completely pure focus. Now of course you are given different times of the week to which you can add using the plus sign or the week. You can add tasks, check your schedule, or manage your time using simple voice commands. And it even supports Pomodoro sessions and the Eisenhower matrix, helping you stay productive and balanced throughout the day. So let me show you how this would actually work, and we'll actually have the AI bot that is inside of this completely explain what it can do. So listen to this. Narty.
Hi!
Please tell me, what can you do?
Let me show you what I can do. Hi, I'm Narty, your personal schedule assistant. I can help you manage your daily tasks and events, such as creating, updating, deleting, or checking your schedule. I can also provide useful suggestions based on your agenda, chat with you about various topics, and answer questions. Additionally, I can check the weather, news, and stock information for you. If you need help organizing your day or have any questions, just let me know.
And there it is. And of course you have the date. Everything is synced when you log in, because it will be asking for your Wi-Fi, and also will be asking you for your login, and you will be making a login, the time, and of course the humidity of the room I'm currently standing in. But that is it for the NarTick. They are also introduced with an app that I will be showcasing momentarily when I set everything up. But I just wanted to show you, this is everything. Of course, this works for families and teams, and NarTick makes collaboration effortless, because you can even share schedules and coordinate different tasks. You can even set a password, and you can click to unlock. There's also the fact that you'll never miss an important moment again, whether you're a student, teacher, freelancer, or even a part of a growing team. NarTick keeps you organized, focused, and ahead of the day. That's why NarTick is phenomenal. So instead of all this, let me show you how you can actually combine both your phone and the NarTick app. So let me just completely cut this off. I'll be moving these, and I will showcase to you guys how the phone actually works. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Hello everybody. So I have set up my table as promised, and here is the NarTick. I do want to introduce first that on Indiegogo right now, they are actually hosting a production launch where they are doing exclusive deals and offers when it comes to the NarTick. So I would definitely go check them out. That's besides the point though. I just want to introduce, first of all, the import calendar, where you can set calendar subscription from iCloud, WeChat, URL, Google, even Outlook, a lot of different things from a lot of different places where you can connect your calendar and have everything set up, so you don't say, oh, I don't want to set everything up on here. Well, you could just do your own personal calendar and just simply install it onto here. That is very simple, very well said. You can also do collaborations with colleagues and family. Here it is. And I just want to show you, now imagine I say, do the homework. I am a father and I am sending this to my child and I'm telling them to do this for tomorrow. And there's a task box and then I send it out. So my child who has this at home would not even have to click the refresh button, but in time they will get the reminder to do the homework. So now say the child has finished the homework and they finished everything up, they can just simply click the check mark, to which when this refreshes on the phone, on the father's phone, it will say when it was completed and that the homework has been finished. That's the beauty of the NarTick. Now also, if you want to add a reminder via voice, you can just simply say, Narty,
Hi!
please set a reminder at 3:40 p.m. to take the medicine.
Alright, setting that up now.
And there it is. The reminder has been set at 3:40 p.m. to take the medicine, and everything has been put in front of us. Everything will be connected via here. And of course, again, you have the humidity, the time, the date, everything is set over here. Everything has been taken and the time it's been accepted. You can go into a week. You also have the different methods that we spoke of. This is the alarm if you want to add an alarm. This is how to count up. This is how to count down. And here's the alarm that we were talking about, where you can set up to whatever you want. So that is the NarTick. I have introduced pretty much everything, all the beautiful features of this product. The calendar has been introduced, the important and urgent things. If you want to add, book a flight ticket, and then I send it out. I just put it in unimportant and non-urgent, even though that is fairly important. You could click onto here and you'll notice pop onto here. So you can of course do these for any of the 4 different squares, exit out, and then it would pop onto here. That is everything for NarTick. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and genuinely I would highly recommend you guys go check out NarTick. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all have a phenomenal day. Bye bye.